Welcome to another SquareLine Studio tutorial. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to effectively transform any widget using the Transform Style feature, which has been enhanced in recent versions to work with all widget types, not just images. Let's get started. In SquareLine Studio, you can find the Transform options under the Style main dropdown in the Inspector tab. The Transform section consists of two main parts: the size parameters and the transformation controls. Let me show you how to use each of these effectively. First, let's look at the size parameters. These allow you to set both minimum and maximum dimensions for your widgets. I'll set the minimum width to 200 pixels and the maximum to 400 pixels. For the height, we'll use the same values. Notice how the widget instantly responds to these changes. If you try resizing the panel now, you'll see that it maintains these constraints, never going below 200 pixels or exceeding 400 pixels in either dimension. Now, let's explore the Transform Rotation feature. This powerful tool allows you to rotate your widget in any direction. The pivot X and Y values determine the exact point around which the rotation occurs. By default, 0 represents the top left corner of the widget. For example, if we set X to 100 and Y to 200, in a 200 x 400 pixel widget, this means the rotation point will be at the exact center. When you enter 450 in the Transform Rotation field, the widget rotates 45 degrees counterclockwise. You can achieve the opposite rotation by simply adding a minus sign before the value. The Transform Scale feature offers an easy way to resize your widgets. The default value is 256, which represents 100%. Let's try setting it to 400 to see how it affects our widget. You'll notice a smooth scaling effect that maintains the widget's proportions. To verify that all these transformations work seamlessly with interactive elements, let's switch to play mode. As you can see, all our transformed widgets maintain their functionality while respecting the transformation parameters we've set. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Transform Style in SquareLine Studio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more UI development tutorials.